Hey guys, welcome to this new video. My name is Marcus and today I'm going to show you how to download Hamster Kombat app on iOS. So please make sure you stay until the end of the video because you have to follow every step in order to have everything set up correctly. So please make sure you stay until the end. So let's dive in now. The first thing you need to do is download Telegram. You can just download it in the App Store and you need to make sure that you set up your phone number in Telegram in order to make Telegram work. So I assume you have that done. If not, please pause the video and pick it up when you finished it. So for now, we're clicking on Telegram. Right now we are in the chats field. You see the search bar in here. We type in Hamster Kombat. Click search. I also already have it in recent, but in your case, it will pop up under global search. The Hamster Kombat bot. So click on that. Right now you're in the Hamster Kombat screen. Click on start. And now you can click on play. And then you will see that Hamster Kombat will be launched. When you do this for the first time, you will have like a small tutorial in here, but you can just click that away. And after you have finished that, you're in the screen just as I am right now. And that's basically it for the video, guys. Please leave a like if this video helped you out. Consider subscribing. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.